Hello dear students, this is ISI M.MATH 2021 solution, and today I will be solving question number 9. The set of all A, this is A, satisfying the inequality, and there is inequality 1 by root A is 1 to A integration 3 by 2 root over x plus 1 minus 1 by root x d is less than equal to 4, and this equal to interval of which. That's it. So pretty direct one. So let me just add up a page here. Yeah. And what was given? The given inequality was this. Less than 4. Let's calculate this first. 1 by A 3 by 2 root x plus 1 minus 1 by root x dx. So this is x to the power 3 by 2 plus x minus 2 root x, and this will be 1 to a to the power 3 by 2, and this will put, you get a minus 2 root over a. Okay. Now this will be another form of the inequality will get you a to the power 3 by 2 plus a minus 2 root a whole divided by root a. There was a root a outside in this question, this root a. So now if you just put that root a, so this will give you less than 4. So simply if I just divide, so this will give you a by root a, so root a minus 2 less than 4, so a plus root a less than or minus 6 less than 0. So there's a simple factorization we can do here. So root over a plus 3 into root over a minus 2 less than 0. So if you see this, so what we got, root over a plus 3 and this, so root a less than 2, because root a not less than minus 3, so that negativity is not possible. So root a, the second thing is giving you minus 3, this is impossible. Okay, it's a real number, so a is lying between 0 to 4. So the final answer to this is